The creative minds at EXEGER are making waves in the virtual reality space, with a revolutionary suit designed for navigating virtual worlds. Their latest innovation, the exoskeleton, lets you experience the sensation of flying. The suit's standout feature is a pole-mounted system that allows you to rotate 360 degrees, perfect for those with a strong sense of balance. The exoskeleton also adjusts its support and resistance based on your virtual environment. For instance, if you fall into a virtual river, you'll feel the current. The best part? The suit's code is open source, inviting developers to improve upon their design. If you've got ideas, check out their developer Discord server. Rescuing someone in distress just got a high-tech upgrade with DIDOK makings, a hybrid between a life preserver and a drone. This innovative device can take off from the water and be remotely controlled from up to 1,100 meters away, reaching speeds of up to 13 meters per second. Designed for offshore operations, it can withstand strong winds and rough seas, and if it loses signal, it automatically returns to its base. The Tercer is a game-changer for emergency services, bringing cutting-edge technology to the rescue. How many devices do you have that always seem to need charging? If you're tired of the constant tangle of cables, EXEGER has a game-changing solution for you. Introducing POWERFOYLE, a super-thin, just 1.3 millimeters, solar panel that can be integrated into various devices. These panels can harness energy from artificial light, and after just 20 minutes in the sun, your headphones could play music for an hour. EXEGER's innovative tech has caught the eye of big names like Urbanista and Adidas, with funding from Sweden and the EU. One day, you might not even be able to reach the washing machine to get your clothes out of it. Using state-of-the-art technology, the laundry jet transports your clothes directly to the laundry room. This is quite helpful in places like hospitals and hostels since it eliminates the need to carry baskets up and downstairs. The creators are positive that this is the first vacuum-powered washing system of its sort, with a maximum distance of 122 meters. To increase convenience, you can install up to 8 ports, and the more sophisticated iSense version opens with a simple hand wave. It is a magical tool for your laundry. Welcome to the future of cooking with GOODBYTZ. This automated kitchen system can store up to 72 ingredients, prepare 8 different meals simultaneously, and deliver 3,000 flawless servings daily. The compact model fits into a 12.5 square meter space and even includes a dishwasher. Setting it up is a breeze with a visual editor that makes personalizing your kitchen easy, even for non-techies. Plus, with no need for human staff, you can reduce costs by 80%. And don't worry about the installation, the kitchen modules fit easily through doorways, so setup only takes a few hours. At 2 of Germany's largest hospitals, University Hospital Bonn and Schwarzwaldbach Clinic, efficiency just got a major boost thanks to TRANSPONET's pneumatic pipelines. These pipelines, stretching 16 kilometers at the University Hospital Bonn alone, ensure that medications, tests, and research findings are delivered quickly and efficiently across the facilities. With 145 transfer stations, this is now one of Europe's largest systems of its kind, dramatically improving the convenience and efficiency of hospital operations. Exciting things are happening in the skies with the AIRBUS Racer. Currently in the testing phase, this innovative helicopter from AIRBUS Helicopters is setting new standards. The Racer combines a traditional main rotor with side propellers, achieving impressive aerodynamic efficiency. It can cruise at speeds of up to 400 kilometers per hour while being more fuel efficient than conventional helicopters. With its Safran Eco Mode hybrid electric system, one of the Racer's engines can switch to a mode that cuts fuel consumption by another 30%. Navigating a busy city can be challenging, especially for the visually impaired. But the Swiss team behind BIPED has developed an innovative solution. BIPED is a device worn on the chest that uses AI algorithms to detect obstacles and navigate around them. It's like a mini Tesla for your body. With a wide 170 degrees field of view, GPS coordinates, and bone conduction headphones, BIPED helps guide the visually impaired safely through crowded streets, all while being lightweight and offering a 24-hour battery life. Meet the VABSRIDER, the world's first bike seat designed to move with you. The seats too have shift along with your legs, reducing pressure on your sit bones and providing more comfort on long rides. It strikes the perfect balance between the softness of seats, designed for short trips, and the firmness of road bike seats. Although the VABSRIDER was invented back in 2016, mass production is just around the corner. If all goes well, it'll hit the market this October. Whether you're at a campground, resort, beach, or in the woods, the eBlue RGB Space House offers a unique and stylish place to stay. These modular houses come in various designs, like the eye-catching I-shape, measuring 11 by 4 by 3 meters, complete with plumbing, furniture, and lighting. The futuristic design makes you feel like you're in a sci-fi movie, and when it's time to move, the whole house can be packed into standard shipping containers. Did you know that 40% of men and 20% of women struggle with snoring? It's no wonder that the world's first non-invasive snoring solution has gained so much attention, raising more than 7 times its initial Kickstarter goal. Created by the Canadian company Smart NORA Incorporated, this innovative remedy, called NORA, consists of 2 key components. The first, placed beside the bed, listens for snoring sounds. When it detects snoring, the second component, which is placed under the pillow, gently inflates. This slight movement causes the throat muscles to contract, effectively stopping the snoring. All of this comes at a cost of $359. An inflatable ferry made by the Slovenian business hovercraft is ideal for a variety of jobs, including construction and fishing. This ferry inflates in 5 minutes and can carry up to 5 tons. Its modest draft allows it to safely negotiate shallow waters, and its double-wall design assures stability even when fully loaded. It has an outboard electric engine that produces 5 horsepower and can achieve a maximum speed of 48 kilometers per hour, making it a flexible tool for a range of water sports. Logging is one of the most dangerous jobs in the United States, with a high risk of fatal injuries. That's why protection is essential, and VINZENT offers just that. While it may not come with smart sensors or cameras, this gear excels at safeguarding the head, neck, and back from falling branches. Made from 3mm thick aluminum, it's both lightweight, only 5.8 kilograms, and flexible, ensuring comfort and mobility. Best of all, VINZENT's protective gear is affordable, priced at just $8. SONY is stepping into the world of advanced medical technology with their new microsurgery assistance robot. This incredible robot is so precise that it can stitch up a cut on a corn kernel. It's designed to assist surgeons with complex operations, involving nerves and blood vessels less than a millimeter in diameter. With a shortage of specialized doctors, SONY's robot could help alleviate the burden on existing surgeons. The operator controls the robot using a setup that looks like VR glasses, receiving a 3D image in 4K on 2 OLED screens. The robot can even change its tiny surgical instruments without human help, making it a valuable tool in modern medicine. Japanese startup GITAI has big ambitions for space exploration. Founded in 2017, the company aims to be a leading supplier to space launch companies by 2040. Their S2 robot, which has already made its way to the International Space Station, features 2 1.5-meter-long arms that excel at repairs. If robots like these fill our space missions, labor costs could plummet by 100 times. As humans are vulnerable to radiation and other space hazards, we might be on the cusp of witnessing a fully robotic mission to Mars.